everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So I've worn this bun for 10 days without taking it down, and my scalp is starting to get dry and dirty. Let me show you. You're probably thinking that this is dandruff, but it's actually not. It's old, dried up gel that's starting to flake on my scalp. It has been 10 days since my scalp has touched the water, so by now it is a little thirsty. I always gotta make sure my scalp is clean and healthy. That's very important to me. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is a good old-fashioned hot oil treatment, but first I gotta get this gel out of my hair. I've rinsed my hair with water and I've added oil to most of my scalp, but I'm saving this last section for you. I've already filled my little container with about an ounce of an herbal oil mix that I made at home. So now I'm adding my Jamaican Black Castor oil. The castor oil I'm using today is by a brand called Lifestyle Essentials by Nature. It's an authentic 100% natural castor oil with no other ingredients added. Jamaican castor is dark brown in color because the castor beans were roasted in the extraction process. Roasting produces ash content, so the ash gives the oil that dark color and that nice smoky burnt-like scent. Regular castor oil isn't roasted, it's cold pressed, so it's much lighter in color and it doesn't have that same smoky scent to it. Now I'm adding some essential oils for some extra flavor. Alrighty then. So I never warm my oils for my oil treatments. The reason being is my body heat from my finger pads will warm up the oils once I start massaging the oil on my scalp. Also, I always cover my head with a plastic bag and a heat source like a hooded dryer or a microwavable heat cap. So warming up the oil in advance for me is just an extra step. I always apply it to my hair as well. First, I like to spray it with water. Then, I just let the oil drizzle on my ends, then I smooth it all in. So now I'm going to increase the effectiveness of the castor oil mix, and I'm going to do that by adding a plastic bag and a microwavable heat cap. If all you have is a grocery bag, then girl, use that and go on about your day. I have no product in my hair, it's just glistening because it's holding water. I never seal my hair with oils and butters. I like to do oil treatments separately. I've used castor oil for years. I am a witness that it does help regrow sparse hair. If you're looking for an authentic castor oil, definitely recommend the one that I showed you in today's video. The link to where you can purchase is in the description box. God bless, and thanks for partying with me, you guys.